Now, I've got to be honest, I don't know what this area is. I don't think it's a slum area. Well, it is a slum area, I think, but I'm not sure it's the, what's it called, the Havry Slum? That's way in it, so I'm not really sure. Maybe this is in the Colaba, is it Colaba?
Colaba district.
Colaba district. The Gate of India and everything is down there around that corner, I think. But yeah, this is proper India. You've got people fishing down there. There's a guy going to go have there, Pete. Down the bottom, can you see him in the pink?
Oh yeah.
I'm not videoing that.
No.
I'm videoing him, he's undoing his zip, so I don't think that'll get through the YouTube guidelines. Man having on beach.
Malam